Today's my crosswalk, but today I'm at Douglas Avenue and Main Street. Here we go. Let's do this one right here.
Wait, traveling east.
Traveling east. This one's traveling east right here. We have two buttons that they're traveling east. This one is traveling east. That one's traveling
Walk
east.
sign is on.
You can see walk signs on.
Walk sign is on. 10.
This one has 10 seconds.
Wait, 7, 6.
Every seconds are 10 seconds. This intersection here.
2. Wait, 1.
This intersection has 10 seconds, and I don't believe it.
Wait, traveling east.
Traveling east. I pushed the button because I pushed it and light it up, so.
Wait.
Let's see. Here the.
Walk sign is on.
This one is a Parola APS.
Walk sign is on.
See the. Let's see this crosswalk right here.
10, 9, 8. Wait, traveling north. 6, 5, 4, 3. Wait, 2, 1.
This is traveling north.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
I can't.
Wait. Traveling north.
Push button for walk sign. There's that button logo right there.
Wait. Walk sign is on.
Walk sign is on to cross.
Walk sign is on. 10, 9, 8, 7. Wait. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait.
Let's go ahead and push this one right here.
Wait. Traveling west.
Damn.
Wait.
That crosswalk just scared the out of me, dude.
Wait.
Like, are you kidding me, dude? The thing just scared me. That crosswalk said wait.
Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. 10, 9, wait, 8, traveling 7, south. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, wait, 1, wait. Traveling south.
Oh, wow.
Where are you sitting?
Traveling south. This is traveling south, though.
Wait. Traveling south.
Yeah, someone put a
Wait.
Someone put an eyeball right here. It's crazy.
Walk sign is on.
Oh, it's very, very friendly.
Walk sign is on.
Yo, this intersection has 10 seconds, and I don't believe it. So that's it, guys.